3, 2, 1. Let it.
Yo, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back! Yes, back! To another video. And today, we have two more Beyblades that we are going to be unboxing. We have... Who should I introduce first? Well, I mean, it doesn't matter. They're both getting introduced anyway. You probably saw them from here. And, you definitely did. Why did my camera have such a wide view? Anyways, as you can see, we have Wolf Hunt, and we have Phoenix Flare. So, as you can see, we got the next stage in the Phoenix family, and we have Wolf as well. Thought these two would be pretty cool to put together and battle. So without further ado, let's get these guys out of the box and get these guys ready for battle. The Beyblades that they will be going up against today are one from every stage, I'd say. We have Roar Tyranno on 160 Unite. We have Wizard Rod on 760 Metal Ball, if you guys remember that. And we have Gen Brave on 360 Rubber Excel. I wanted to put immense pressure on these guys because I know that what's the attack type without its rubber bit. So yeah, let's get these guys open. Anyway, Wolf Hunt's bit is this ball. I don't think it needs any introduction, but its ratchet kind of does, because I think this is the 060 ratchet. Something that I've definitely been looking out for and something that I wanted to get. So yeah, it's pretty cool that we got this. Definitely going to check it out a little bit more in the future. And the actual Wolf Hunt Blade. Obviously, as you know, Wolf is known for being having a free spin blade, and it definitely does still have that, the free spin blade. So I wonder how it's gonna fend up against these other blades. And yeah, it's definitely strange seeing it go from 3 to 4 blades, but hey, this thing also looks like it's gonna have high recoil. So yeah, but anyways, let's get this thing assembled. And honestly, they definitely took the idea of like putting 0 on it, because yeah, who wouldn't want to put 0 on like a free spinning mini blade? I'm just gonna say free spinning blade. A free spinning blade in order to like actually like completely nullify all those attacks. And now we have Phoenix. There goes Wall Ball. Nope, actually not Wall Ball, that's Wall Wedge. There goes 980. And there goes Phoenix. That was actually our first clean rip for today. Okay. Phoenix. This thing is chunky. I never expected it to be so chunky. Zillion, this thing actually looks amazing. It looks really cool. And Phoenix definitely feels like, it feels pretty round. And definitely controlled. 680. Well, 980, actually. Just the natural ratchet that Phoenix always uses. Phoenix always uses a 9 ratchet. And, yeah. So, man, wow. The artwork, it's just, you can't not appreciate how much work they put in to give us good products. Without further ado, I think that's enough talking about unboxing and Beyblades. I have now a small pile of internal magazines or something, just instructions on Beyblade that I don't really need. But yeah. Without further ado, I think it's time to get into these battles. I'm not using any left spin here, so yeah. I never looked at the internal structure. I should probably do that just to give you guys an idea. Well, you already have an idea because of other people's videos, but like just because. Wow. Well, that's a surprise. Maybe I should have looked at the internal structure. Wolf is hollowed out like a bomb. Is that supposed to be outward weight distribution? I think it is. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness. I was not expecting that much hollow there. Like, it's literally just empty space. I'm gonna just put this back on. And we're gonna throw that back on too. And, well, I already saw the internal structure of Phoenix, but I'm gonna show you guys anyway. Which way did it turn? This way? Yeah, there we go. And yeah, it just has that kind of outward weight distribution. And Zillion, oh my goodness, this thing's so bumpy. Zillion actually, I think, could be a good defensive thing. I definitely see it being a good defensive thing. Anyways, without further ado, I think it's time to get into these battles. So, who am I going to start with? I think we start off with Phoenix. So, let's do a little test spin. And that thing is tall. What CX is known for, obviously. But, yeah. Wow. I wonder what the CX expand is going to be like when I try it. What was that? I don't know. Anyways, I think we're going to go up the actual stages. So, we're going to start off with BX, and then we're going to make our way up to CX. So, yeah, we're starting off with Roar Tyranno. Let's see what it can do. Oh my goodness, people are not lying. Phoenix is not made to work on wall wedge. It really isn't. Anyways, that's 0-1. And if you're wondering, yes, I do have 160 focused on one blade, so it's very focused to one side of the blade. Basically, the aim for the attack type, well, our first attack type A, is to actually try and actually knock out the opponent. If it doesn't do it, then obviously it can spin out the opponent with Unite. Anyways, I think that makes it 3-0-3 now. Oh! It's technically not off yet. It's technically not off yet, but there is a bit burst that might happen. And somehow, Phoenix kept it together and did not have a bit burst. Okay, that's cool. I'm pretty sure he's pretty salty right now. I'm pretty sure Roar Tyranno is pretty salty right now. But that makes it 1, 2, 3. If that goes to Roar Tyranno, that makes it 1 to 4. Yeah, I didn't like that one. I kind of launched on top again. My launches are not on par. They are not up to par. Let's make sure everything's alright. And let's continue. Wall wedge is scaring me. I don't like it. Anyway, that makes it 2, 4. Or is it 2 to 3? I'm pretty sure it's 2, 4. Yeah. Come on, finish. It's off balance. It's cooked. Oh, wait, never mind. Just gained its balance back. Hit him already! Thank you. Ah! Makes it 1, 5. And I think I'm gonna keep this one in. That makes it 1, 6. Oh man, it's not a good start for you. You're losing to a BX Beyblade. That ain't good. And if you're losing to a BX Beyblade, I wonder what's gonna happen to you to the stamina battle. But anyways, let's move on to Wizard Rod. These battles are definitely gonna be sped up because it is a stamina battle. So, okay, and you've practically doomed yourself. Oh well, no. No. I think I'm gonna call it a tie just to be safe. I'm gonna switch between the two. What? Oh, Zillion. The bumpiness of Zillion is getting in the way now. Okay, confirm that I do need to launch Wizard Rod first. Anyways, that makes it 0-1. That makes it 0-2. That makes it 0-3. can't really get a good hit on him. That makes it 0-4. I'm pretty sure this is just a losing battle for Phoenix, but still, you have to do it, because obviously... Well, I mean, it's been a losing battle for Phoenix. I mean, he's literally up against a stamina type, and not only just a stamina type, but one of the best stamina types in the game. So, yeah. There we go. It's at 0-5. Oh, and that's a bit burst. Maybe, possibly. Possibly not. It depends on if it separates or not. If it does, okay. I guess we can call that a bit burst. But yeah, that was a losing battle for Phoenix. And Phoenix is not going to be very happy going into the next round. But it is a winning battle for Phoenix because he's going up against the attack type. But, well, the also addition to that is that the attack type is on a rubber bit. So, let's go. What? Damn. I knew it was going to be putting a lot of pressure on him, but I didn't know it was going to be that much pressure. Damn. Didn't even get to react. That's 0-2. Oh my goodness. Maybe I made its opponent too strong. That's 0-4. And I think this might just be it. Okay. That's 0-5, but oh my goodness, I never knew the pressure would be this immense. Okay, that's 1-5. Oh my goodness. It's just running around him. I just want to give this man a chance. So I flat launched Dran. Even though you're supposed to freaking angle launch him. That gives it 2-5. Gives it 2-6. 2-5. Wait, no. That gives it 3-5. 3-7. No, that makes it 3-8. Okay. Alright, that's pretty much our battles for today. Wait, no. That isn't our battles for today. We still have one more Beyblade to do. What the heck? Oh my goodness. How long has it been? Jeez. Okay. We got Wolf. My bad, Wolf. I almost forgot you. But yeah. Let's get right into these battles. As you know, same so. So let's go. Test launch. Oh, goodness. I could see Wolf having a bursting problem because obviously the 080, the 060. But I think hopefully Disc ball might just be able to, might just be able to like prevent that. But we'll see. Let's go. Oh my goodness. And that's a sleep out. That first extreme dash was a clear hit to the free ratchet. Not free ratchet, assist blade, the free assist blade. It was very clear. Because after getting hit with something like that, you would not be really standing anymore. Just another sleep out, that makes it 2-0. Oh my goodness. And it's a sleep out on Roar Toronto. So that makes it 2-1. That was a very mean hit. But the Roar Toronto lives on. Well, actually no. Wrong Beyblade. The wolf lives on. Anyways. Yeah, so wolf is now at 3. So 3-1. Oh, that was a very mean 2 hit. Oh wow. Oh wow. Extreme finish into it. Well, not extreme finish, but extreme line into a knockout. Oh my goodness. Okay, that makes it what? Tied up 3? Oh my goodness. Battle is getting serious now. I don't know what happened there, but it knocked Roar Toronto insanely off balance. And the 160 clearly did not help him. What the hell? It just knocked its own self out? What the hell? Anyways, oh yeah, that's endgame right there. I'm not sick. It's just I still got some stuff stuck in my respiratory system. Yeah, I think so. Anyways, that's a win. Now we have the real stamina battle. Who's the better stamina type? Wolf Hunt or Wizard Rock? I mean, we're probably gonna know the answer, but yeah. Are we serious? This thing is not beating Wizard Rod. Oh my goodness. That is 0-2. That is 0-2. If I was to guess, it's definitely that metal ball bit. Damn. Because it's a stamina battle, we're gonna go to 4. So, oh my goodness. Those fat blades are getting in the way. And it's asleep after that. Goodness. Oh, okay. Wolf lost. But it can still win against Valkyrie. Not Valkyrie. Oh my goodness. Look. Just because I want to get Valkyrie doesn't mean I won't. Well, doesn't mean I should call Drain Valkyrie. Keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. Clearly, Drain has no time for games. He absolutely murdered this dude and put him into an extreme finish. Oh my goodness. Well, that's 0-3. Damn. Okay. Hey, at least you can sleep him out. That's 1-3. That's 2-3. That's tied 3. That's 4-3. Oh my goodness. That's 5-3. I'm guessing this is now, mind you, he just hit the stadium floor. And it was over as soon as he hit the floor. Not only did he knock him out, he put that boy in pieces. Put him in pieces. Tied 5. Tied 5. Now this one is gonna call it all. This one is for all the marbles. And that calls it. Oh wow. That calls it. Anyways, on to that one part of the video. What are my thoughts on Phoenix Flare and Wolf Hunt? Honestly, I think Phoenix Flare's combo is good. It's just the one thing that's keeping it back is wall wedge, and I think they could have possibly done something better. And for Wolf Hunt, I honestly like the design. It's an amazing design. 060 is definitely that one thing that holds it back. But actually, I don't think we've seen it burst till like the final battle. But that was just because it got knocked out so hard that it probably hit the extreme line or something, and it like bursted. But like overall, I think the combo in and of itself is great, and I don't think really anything has to be changed about it. So yeah, those are my thoughts. Let's get our 3 challengers in the stadium. And our 2 newcomers. And without further ado, I think that's where we'll leave it. As you already know, I'm Ultimate Burst. If you guys like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more of this content, please hit the subscribe button. And if you want to get notified every time I upload, then please, 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 I'd really appreciate it so much if you guys hit the bell. Without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!